Bob's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. This is swarm number 54. I did not get any video of them going and coming. The homeowner does really good on watching this trap. She told me, she said, these girls are a little hot. So apparently they were giving her a hard time. I hope they've got a queen. Yeah, they don't look really happy with the situation at all. I should have got a hive tool. Doesn't look like there's about a frame of bees in there. I'm not going to be happy when I pop that top right there. Grab a hive tool. That great big swarm number 53 we just installed, those girls weren't bad at all. These here seem to be a little high. Good gracious. Yeah, I'd say they've been in there a little bit. That's the disadvantage of leaving one hanging. See that comb they've grown off the bottom of that frame? They're gonna lose all of that. They are gonna be mad. But ain't nothing I can do about it at this point. Just try and get it off of there. Make sure the queen's not on it. That's just wasted resources at that point. Well, you got to get them down. She actually forgot to call me. But that's alright. Not terrible. Let's see what they've done with the frames, because they started doing their own thing there. They don't appear to be super terrible considering it's early. Kind of cool this morning. And they've been locked in this box all night. Say, goodness gracious. Yeah, we're drawing some ugly comb on that frame. They just decided they were going to do their own thing. We're going to see if we can find Mama before we straighten that out. That frame there is beautiful. These bees aren't bad. She must have just got on their bad side somehow or another. They've already got that full of nectar. I don't know how long they were in there. She must have missed them, because they're working pretty good. Let's see if I can see any eggs. If they're standing up, I can't see them. I got to wait till they're 3 days old and drop before I can see them. There's the queen right there. She's pretty. She's big. She's dark too. Not gonna mess with trying to catch her. She's huge. Gorgeous. So they do have a queen. Well, we got to clean that frame off anyway. Clean this one up too. We've seen Mama, so now I can do any cleaning I need to on this frame. That's where they tie it in to do their own thing in the bottom box. Other than that, all this looks really good. We'll just nip that off and clean that up. She's got that laid up. Single leg, gorgeous pattern. We wasted little resources on this hive because they stayed in the box too long. Start to draw that, straighten that out for them. So swarm number 54 ain't too bad. It's bigger than I thought it was. We're just gonna tear all that down. Make them start over. All right, big beautiful queen. There are definitely some wax drawers because they were doing their thing. Alrighty, Pawpaw's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Swarm number 54. Have a good day.